What up, YouTube? Today it's a beautiful Monday. It's going to be upper body. I got some great news over the weekend. I finally broke in to the upper 10% body fat on my scale. I've been trying to reach that number since probably the last week of January is when I started trying to cut and diet. And so we finally broke into it. Now, what I want to do is try to maintain that. I don't necessarily want to cut anymore, at least not right now. I would like to see if can I go a whole week and just maintain that body fat percentage without going up or behind. But yeah, today is going to be upper body. I'm excited. So I basically went a week or maybe a little bit longer, not including the serious mass gainer with my workout days, which was like an extra 600 calories on top of the 2 days I work out. So 1,200 calories I immediately took out. But now that we've hit 10%, my plan is to use that as a post-workout meal. So I'm going to do that this week. We'll see how it goes. But man, does it feel good to finally hit it. You know, there was probably like 2 weeks in a row where I was just stuck at 12%. And I knew I was at a deficit. And I was getting a little discouraged, to be honest with you. Because I was like, man, what is going on? Should I just stop and give up? Is 12 as low as I can go? And then I kind of just dropped importance on it. Say, you know what? We're doing all the right things. Don't focus on the end goal. Just stick with it. And then boom, this weekend it's like everything kind of just started to drop. And yeah, so great news. Moral of the story, don't give up and drop importance on it. Don't think about it too much. Be like, you know, everything's already figured out. We had the plan. Now it's just about doing it and sticking with it. And then over time, that's when you'll get the results. Oh, I got too high. Drop the weight. I think I'm gonna do one more before we move on. Yep. So last time I did 8 for 240 and palm up, pull down. I'm gonna try going up 260 and we'll see how we do. Here we go. So 3 reps. At least I moved it. So what I'll do is I'll do a drop set after that. So the main reason why I went up is I noticed with these, even if it's a small amount of reps, up in the weight and just letting the body get used to that amount of weight helps. So now I'm going back down to 240, which should feel a lot lighter after doing the 260. Here we go. So I've been doing the rope for triceps, standing up. But I saw someone doing this, but it was more like with a strap. I'm gonna try it with this, just see how it feels. It's definitely different. Honestly, I'd be curious what a bar would feel like too. I wasn't even counting. I'm gonna lower the weight a little so I can actually do like a twist with it. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so I can like twist out like this. Woo. It's definitely a different kind of feeling. I'm gonna do one more drop. See. It's definitely different. I'll tell you that much. Next exercise is going to be a preacher curl. Last week I did 55 for 10. So I'm going to move up to the 60s. All right. Let's see how we do. 7. Workout complete. It was a good one. We still were able to set some PRs on some lifts. But yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.